Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are talking a bunch of details on some Boxycharm updates, a bunch of products revealed that are going into the Boxy Pop Up store on November 9th, and maybe if we're lucky a few December spoilers. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 to 4 times a week and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to learn about Boxy Pop Up, December Boxycharm, Boxy Premium, Boxy Luxe, stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to start off with pop-up, and the first thing I'm going to do is say that the pop-up details are that pop-up will be opening on November 9th. This time, which is the first time they're doing it, there is no early access. I know in the past there's been a little bit of division because the base subscribers were unable to get into the Boxy Pop-Up until after all of the premium and Luxe subscribers got in, after which a lot of products were already gone. So it is awesome, I think, that everyone's allowed in at once. I know that there were some concerns, but Joe did reassure us that the site can handle the bandwidth and we won't have an issue with the site crashing like it did. That was like a year and a half ago at this point, but it's still brought up every single time. So I do want to acknowledge that they seem to have that under control. And again, November 9th, everyone will be able to get in regardless of what subscription you subscribe to. Jumping into a few products. So I am going to put a picture up on the screen, and then shortly after, I will put a second picture up on the screen. All of these products are coming. Boxycharm did send this out to me. It is a holiday gift guide of some of the products that are coming to Boxy Pop Up, which are great for gifting. And I do have a few of them here, and I have been using them for, at this point, about a week. So we're going to talk some reviews on the products. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Rose Plus Quartz Hair Mask. This is actually, they did send me 2 of these. One of them is in my shower, and I'm already half done with it because Brandon and I enjoy it that much. I can't say like what the smell reminds me of. It's definitely very floral, but I do love the way this makes my hair feel. You guys know my hair is color treated, so anything that can add some moisture back in to give me my curls back, because again, my hair was bleached out and blonde, and then I put red in there, and the whole thing felt a little bit, it needed some extra love. So this is actually what I've been using for the past week or so, and I'm already seeing results. So definitely a product worth picking up, especially at the discounted rate. I don't know if I mentioned this in the intro because I don't remember at this point, but Boxy Pop-Up is open to all subscribers. It is an online shopping event, and some of the products are as much as 80% off retail value, which is awesome. Next, jumping into the products that instantly jumped out to me the most exciting. These are the, I never say it right, it's either Vizart or Viziart. But this is the Golden Hour and the Libertine palettes. They're both these jewel tone palettes, but they are so beautiful. This one is the Libertine palette, which I'm going to be honest is the one I am more into because of those jewel tones up top. Definitely a beautiful formula. If you haven't used the Vizart Viziart formula before, they're a little pricey. These palettes retail for like, I think like $90 or something like that. Again, since this is Golden Hour, I do prefer this palette of the 2, just because of those jewel tones, but this is also really beautiful for people who like more of a neutral color. This formula is so beautiful and so blendable and just so stunning. Their little quads are like $80, so they are expensive shadows, and they are totally worth it. This brand has been featured in many pop-ups before with a lot of their different smaller eyeshadow palettes, so a lot of people have already tried them, and honestly, they are worth the price tag, but if you can get it for so much less expensive in pop-up, why wouldn't you? Next, we're going to keep on this. Let's move to lip. Let's talk lip. So I have 3 lip products today to talk about. The first is from Ciate. This is the glitter lipstick in the shade Apollo. Tell me that that is not stunning. Now, I haven't tried this yet because I did want to try it on camera for the first time. So let me just pop off my lip gloss and let's put this on. Let's find a mirror. Ooh, that's really pretty. So it does have a glitter like metallic-y finish. On the outside it looks like it's going to be more burgundy, but it does read a little more purple based on that purple and gold reflect inside. The formula is super soft and does feel very hydrating. I'm going to be honest, I don't normally go for these metallic-y lipsticks, but now that I have it on, I'm kind of feeling it. What do you guys think? Jumping into the next 2 lip products, this one is from Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Lip Glaze. Now, I mentioned in a favorites video a very long time ago, I used to have the, I want to say clear one, but it was actually green. And I really enjoyed the formula of it because it was super nourishing. This is not the green one, which does go on clear. This one is the shade Rosebud, which I'm going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand just to swatch it. Oh, that's really pretty. So it is a very sheer pink. So this is great for those days where you don't want to have a lot of lip color on your lips. I did already mention in my Boxycharm base unboxing, which already went up, that I'm loving the one from Jouer. But this formula is also super nourishing, and it has a little bit of this like minty scent that I am here for. I've gone through probably 2 or 3 of the green one. I keep saying green because when you squeeze it out, the product is green, but once you like apply it, that green does go clear. But it is such a nourishing lip balm product that I am a very big fan. And the last lip product, which also comes from Milk, is the Melatonin Overnight Milk Lip Mask. Now, this reminds me a lot of the Laneige Sleeping Mask. The only difference is that melatonin effect, which is supposed to help you fall asleep. It does say right here, sleep your way to softer lips, an overnight lip mask that replenishes, hydrates, and calms, so you wake up softer, smoother, with more plump-looking lips. Apply directly to clean, dry lips at night. Pair with the overnight serum. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, silicone-free, fragrance-free, gluten-free, stress-free. It does smell very strong, like lavender, which is super calming and super refreshing. Now, this does have a lot of aromatherapy in there, so I'm not going to say that it's not fragranced, but it is artificial fragrance-free. For example, putting lavender oil in there, there's blueberry, which is part of the tint that's in there. Definitely does help to affect the scent that you get, but that does not mean that it is artificially fragranced, which is the thing you should be avoiding. But it does have like safflower oil in there and shea butter, so super nourishing. I will be completely honest, other than smelling it like every day for the past week, I have not tried it yet because I do try to limit when I open products like this. I am currently using a Laneige sleeping mask that I'm trying to finish up. And it does say in here that 18 months after you open it, it does expire. So I will be trying this out as soon as I get a chance to, but that will be after I finish whatever lip mask I'm currently using. And the last pop-up item I'm going to talk about is the Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser from Tony Moly. I have heard great things about this, and it is K-Beauty, which obviously, in my opinion, you guys know I talk about skincare all the time. I love K-Beauty products because they genuinely perform, and Korean science and skin science specifically is so far ahead of a lot of things in the rest of the world that it genuinely, I do find, works better, and it's easier, and it's also more affordable. Like, it's not like a lot of the skincare we have where it's like $150 and you're paying for artificial fragrance and alcohol that you're rubbing on your face. This stuff is usually better quality ingredients. So I am going to hold off on opening this as well because I think I have like 6 cleansers open right now. And again, once you pop that seal, it does start to expire. So you can expect to see me talking about this at some point in an upcoming video, but I'm not there yet because I am going to wait until I finish up the rest of my most recent cleansers. And jumping into spoilers, I'm going to put them up on the screen. Boxycharm Premium, I know we already spoke about the Viseart palettes, and there are 2 more coming to Boxycharm Premium. They are actually going to be choice, so if you do have choice, you get to pick which of the 2 you want. I'm going to pop images up on the screen. One is more neutral, one of them's a little bit more bold, but honestly, they are both beautiful. I've already said I do enjoy the formula of this product because the formula is consistent among all of their palettes. But I'm going to be honest, I'm hoping to get my hands on that navy in the bottom right corner of the Boulder palette is calling my name. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to, which I don't normally do at the end of this video, I am going to put up those 2 holiday gift guides one more time so that you guys can take a look at all of the items featured in pop-up. Normally, like, I end my videos and it goes to that flashy like end screen and then it's over. But if you did want a chance and you don't want to go back and pause, I will have like a little bit of that image at the end so you guys can look a little bit more closely. Let me know down below what you guys are looking to snag in Boxy Pop Up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.